Hello and welcome to the first vlog of 2017. We're out for a walk. We didn't do our usual New Year's Day walk on New Year's Day. We're doing it the day after. The bank holiday, because it was raining.
All day?
All day. So we're out
Frankly, we didn't want to get wet.
on what is known as the Daffodil Walk. Again, on the 2nd of January there's going to be no daffodils. But we're out by the stream. You can tell me something in a minute, darling, yes. For a lovely walk.
You know there? He was walking down there. There's a sudden drop where Grace is going to go now.
Right.
And he was swimming. That's how deep it was.
He likes to swim, does Dukey?
It was quite funny because he got quite scared because it was just dropped. It just dropped randomly. That was really funny.
As you can hear from the screams.
No, go away!
There's a bit of mud. I'm going to say help Verity's wellies out.
Do you remember the time when she jumped off that wooden ledge and fell on the bottom that really long wall? That was really funny actually. It was a nice walk that was.
That was up to that waterfalls near Whitby.
Of the electric fence?
Yeah, with the electric fence. Don't ask. Sit, good boy. No. Fetch. Good lad. Well done. Good boy. Good boy. Come on it, Duke. It's still here, Duke. Oh, flip. Duke, come on! Come on, Duke!
Yeah!
Come on, Duke!
Duke, you can do it! Come on, Duke!
Hold the camera, I need to go down after it.
Daddy, do the stick! Duke, to the river! We have like thrown the stick too far. We thought he was going to die, but he didn't. Which is good. You got it. Good. Here comes his superhero. Daddy, are you alright?
Yeah.
Did you get...
He wasn't stuck, he was just trying to find his stick. Thank you.
Good.
Thought we'd lost Duke to the river then. Poor lad. Just wanted his stick. Managed to lose one of the dog leads, so they're having to improvise by having both dogs on the lead. If they both decide to go at the same time, I've got no chance. So, you've probably noticed I've been slacking on the vlogging front, and I'm not apologising for it, because it's been nice just to be a little bit off camera, enjoying Christmas with the kids and Helen, and just generally taking a break. But I'm going to get back into it. You know, I've invested in a much better memory card that will hopefully stop my frustrations with these cutouts of video. So I've invested in the vlog. Not a massive investment, but it's an investment. Lovely walk this morning. What have I done since? Yeah, came home, didn't vlog that. Had lunch, didn't vlog that. Did some ironing, didn't vlog that. Read my book. Reading a book. I won't show you the book, except it's on a Kindle. Tell you what, I'll show you the book. I'll show you the book. It's called Don't Stop Me Now. It's a book about running by the one and only Vassos Alexander. And any listeners to the Radio 2 Breakfast Show with Chris Evans will know that Vassos is the sports presenter. And something that I've always liked listening to. But what strikes me, and I don't want to spoil the book review because I'm probably going to do a book review of this. What strikes me is, I never realised Vassos only started running, he was in his 30s. I only started running in my 30s, I was 31 actually. I could take my phone out of my pocket, it's killing me. And he'd not run before, I hadn't really. And a lot of similarities. He's gone exponentially. I've sort of just plateaued a bit. Obviously, which is one of the reasons I've challenged myself to the Blackpool Marathon, coming up in not too many days now. Training officially started today, and I haven't run. The training plan I'm following runs Monday to Sunday for 16 weeks. It was actually an 18-week plan, but I cut off the first 2 weeks. Because I'm at a pretty decent level anyway. And Mondays are always a rest day, or a recovery day, because Sundays would be the long run. But because I've cut off the first 2 weeks, my Monday, starting Monday, was a recovery day. I did pre-plan for this. So yesterday I did a 10k, well 11k actually, 11k run, nice steady long Sunday run in the rain, with the dog, and so today is a recovery from that at least. And I ran 6 straight days last week, so I'm happy with that. I'm getting there, getting back into it, although it has been easier, you know, daylight hours. I've got to get up in the morning and do this. But I have something to aim for now, and I think that's what I need. I need that mental switch that when my alarm goes off at 5:30 in the morning, that I go, I'm training for something. Must get up. We'll see how that works tomorrow. What else have I've put the mudguards on my road bike today. I haven't ridden the bike for far too long now. So I've put the mudguards on, and hopefully I can use that just to do a bit of infilling. I've got to really focus on marathon training, really. So I've got to get the mileage in on the running. But I will get out on the bike. Probably do that on the maybe on the recovery Mondays, just to do something to help the legs. Apart from that, I read the book, done bugger all. Oh, watched On the Buses, Mutiny on the Buses, classic film, brilliant, love it. Right, I am going to get tea. The camera that is currently filming this vlog is sat upon the food processor that I'm about to whiz up the beef, and we're going to have some lovely succulent meatballs in a nice rich tomato sauce. Back on the healthier eating. I've always advocated a balanced diet. We allow the kids to eat sweets and biscuits, things like that, but we balance it. They have fruit, they have all the right mixture. But over Christmas we've been a bit slack on that. So we're going to get back into it. I'm definitely watching what I'm eating because I need to maximise my training for the marathon. Hi Delilah.
Hi.
So that's what I'm doing for tea. A healthy meatballs and tomato sauce. Right. Whilst cooking tea, Delilah has song lyrics to learn for her pantomime coming up in a couple of weeks' time. So we're doing I Dreamed a Dream. Like that. I think Mummy went wrong with the printing somewhere, didn't she, Delilah? What on earth?
I'll show you how it works.
I think I need to study this. I think Helen had a fight with the printer. Right. I'm going to end the vlog there, I think. Possibly. Yeah. Because I'm going to make tea and these guys need a bath and somebody's happy. And generally just got to do stuff. So, thanks for watching. The vlogs will get better. Promise.
It's an orange.
It's a tomato.
Oh.
It is a very orange looking tomato, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, thanks for watching. You've been you, I've been me. This is now 2017 and I'm still vlogging. The Yorkshire Dad is still here.
Yippee!
Oh, by the way, mentioning the marathon, if anybody's still watching, justgiving.com/the Yorkshire Dad if you would kindly donate to the fact that I'm raising money for the British Heart Foundation. That's why I'm putting myself through arduous marathon training.
Oh.
I've set a target time that I'm not really publicising just yet. See how the training goes. Right, thanks for watching. I'll see you another time. Say bye, Delilah.
Bye. Please subscribe and like.
Summer by my side, he filled my days with endless wonder. He took